welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another great product for puppies, and we happen to have a puppy, so it's a great product for Winnie, our wonder dog. And this is a fountain water bowl. Never had such a thing before, so let's open this up and see what it's like. I've heard about them for cats, but I've never heard about them for dogs. So let's open this up and see what we have, shall we? See, here is we have, and I have read the instructions. There's a filter, and there is a water pump with a power source plug-in. Looks like it's a USB, just a normal USB plug-in that we need to plug in somewhere. And instructions, and the instructions are good. A lot of times the instructions are not good, but these ones are good. We have it here. Looks like we have the power head right here. Yep. So it's just a regular old power head. Let's put this puppy out of the. It's large. It's a large reservoir for a lot of water, which is good. Dogs drink a lot of water. They really do. We're constantly filling our dog's water bowl. This box out of the way. So I have read the instructions, so I kind of get how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do. Couple things we're going to do. We are going to do this. We're going to attach the pump to here. So we take this out. This is the filter holder, and it holds these filters eventually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of cheat a little. I am going to lock this into place and put this cord on the side. I just want to get this where it's supposed to go. Like that. Just pour a little water in there. Because we're supposed to soak our filter for 10 minutes. We'll see in 10 minutes. All right, so it's been a little bit. So we have got our filters soaked. So now we are going to take our filters and place them in here with this one on top, like so. And then we're going to put this right so. And then, still want to make sure that all fits. It does. And we're going to put some water in there. So that's a gallon. And that didn't even come close. I think it's 9 liters, but a gallon fills it about half full. So we got that in there. I want to make sure that the cords come out the side the way they're supposed to. Push that down on there. And then I'm going to, for the purposes of this exhibition, and there you have it. Can you see that? How cool is that? Very nice. So your dog will always get fresh filtered water. Probably something kind of fun to play with, I would suppose. For them, something interesting. Interesting. Kind of makes a trickling, bubbling sound, kind of peaceful. And then when the water gets high enough, it gets filtered back over the filters. And it drops back down into the bottom. Nice. So you have a continuously filtering water system. So it filters, probably filters out some of the stuff that they bring in with them too, you know? If you have a dog that plays fetch, they're constantly, bringing stuff in their mouths and stuff like that, which would be filtered out too. Kind of nice. Yeah. 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 Awesome. Good girl. Good girl. Want some more water?